Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time test of the Skin Said Yes organic soap bars, which are in this box right here. This is a product that you can currently get on Amazon for a pack of 8 3.5 ounce bars for about $20. And I'm really excited about this product because the overall packaging, the bars themselves are really elegant and nice. Additionally, the scent just coming from this box is really pleasant. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll show you the packaging, we'll show you each of the bars, then I'll walk through lathering with 1 or 2 of them just to get a sense of how they perform. And as always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. All right, so these are the Skin Said Yes organic soap bars. Currently you can get these on Amazon for a pack of 8 3.5 ounce bars for about $20.42, which comes out to 73 cents per ounce, which will be this packaging. The main highlight of this product is that it's all natural, vegan friendly, cruelty free, organic, and sustainable. And so it's just a good overall product for the environment and being animal friendly, which is why I really want to promote this. Additionally, the packaging is really nice as we get into this, but on the front here it says Skin Said Yes. It says we believe your skin will say yes to all the natural soaps waiting for you inside. It says that there's 8 bars and each of them are 3.5 ounces. On the side here they highlight the certifications it has, that it's 99.96% natural, FSC certified as far as recycling for the packaging, dermatologically tested, and vegan friendly. That's it for the overall outside of the box, but the main highlight is actually the soap bars when you open them. And so right off the bat, these are really cool. As far as the packaging, says Skin Said Yes, and there's going to be 4 separate scents in this box with 2 bars per scent, which you see here, and each of those is individually kind of differentiated by either being red, purple, green, or this yellowish color. So the top here you have Shea plus Rose, which is going to really be tailored for moisturizing and rejuvenating. Next up is Lavender and Sandalwood, which is soothing and softening. Next is Aloe plus Cucumber, which is going to be calming and invigorating. And then lastly is Shea plus Verbena, which is cleansing and toning. I already glanced at this briefly just to get a sense of the differences across each, but we'll highlight them real quick. So as I said, there's going to be 2 bars per scent. And right off the bat, just me sitting here, the overall aroma and scent of the box is phenomenal. It smells really nice, fresh. It's a bright, invigorating aroma just together, so it's very pleasant. And then when you look at each of these bars individually, they all smell different, so I'm really excited about this. But first off, we have the Shea and Rose. On the side here, it might be hard to read, but each of these are tailored towards a different skin type, so I'll just read this real quick. So the Shea and Rose is, it says, we crafted this soap bar with all the dry, tired skin in mind, enriched with organic shea butter as well as alive olive and coconut oils. This soap can help moisturize, nourish, and soften the skin. The added sweet scented rose extract is full of antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids, which make this little bar of soap a true powerhouse suitable for face and body care. Real quick, we'll pull this out and give you a sense of the aroma and what the bar looks like. But on the front here, it's really cool. They have the Skin Said Yes imprinted directly on the soap, which is really nice. The soap is solid. It's not too soft. It's really what you anticipate for a soap. And the aroma is just a really nice, pleasant aroma. It's like a soft rose smell. It's just, I don't even know how to describe it. It just smells phenomenal. And I just want to use this immediately based on the overall aroma. But that's the Shea and Rose. It's going to be like a soft rose kind of smell with like a nice soft fragrant smell to it, not overpowering whatsoever. Something really nice from that standpoint. Next up we have the Lavender and Sandalwood. So this is going to be for soothing and softening. What they say on the end here is that pimple prone skin, we've got you covered by using an organic lavender extract, which is known for its ability to fight inflammatory causing bacteria. This soap bar was formulated to help calm painful breakouts and make your skin's life a little bit easier. We also added olive and coconut oils to help moisturize, nourish, and soften. Again, suitable for body and face. And so this bar, I'm sure it looks identical as far as what it looks like, but the overall aroma is a lavendery smell. It's not too pungent. Sometimes like lavender can get overpowering where it's just like too much, but it's a nice like soft lavender smell. They just say there's sandalwood, but it's like just a slight hint of it. It's not too much. It's not like a musky odor if you think of like sandalwood as far as like shave soaps and stuff like that. It's not very masculine, but it's like a nice blend where it's just like a smooth aroma between the two. But definitely like a faint lavender smell. Very pleasant. I have no complaints whatsoever about that smell. So that's the lavender and sandalwood. And then next up we have aloe and cucumber. So this is calming and reinvigorating. And so what it says here on the side is, does your skin feel irritated, tired, and annoyed? It's time to say yes to this organic aloe vera and cucumber extract combo. The soothing, moisturizing properties of aloe vera have been known to calm down irritated skin, while cucumber extract, which is rich in vitamin C and full of water, can help hydrate and make the skin feel clean and fresh. Coupled with the moisturizing olive and coconut oils in this formulation, this soap will leave your skin feeling soft and happy. So very similar. It's really tailored towards each skin type and kind of the purpose of this, but this is the aloe and cucumber. And so I would describe that this is primarily a cucumber smell with a hint of aloe. It's not, it's like, it's more of like a stronger, not like if like a lot of cucumber smells are more of like a faint cucumber. This is more of like a, like it's like a little bit of a citrusy hint to it. So it's more, I don't know, it's a nice pleasant smell from that standpoint. But it's definitely more of a cucumber smell than an aloe. But again, very, very similar, where it's like a smooth smell, very well blended. It's not pungent, it's not strong, it's not overpowering, which is nice. And then lastly, the last bar we have is the Shea plus Verbena, which is to cleanse and tone. And so what they say here is, this is shout out to all the skins that suffer from blemishes, uneven tones, and excessive oils. The organic verbena extract was added just for you. Loaded with antioxidants, this plant is known for helping get rid of dirt, pollutants, and maintain a healthy balance in your skin. We also enriched this soap with organic shea butter, as well as olive and coconut oils, which help moisturize and nourish. Start your journey to soft, blemish-free, healthy skin suitable for face and body. And again, the design is the same. And this is a very, very citrusy smell. I don't know what verbena is actually, to be honest, but this smells very lemony, citrusy, and that's the overall aroma of it. I don't really smell like a shea butter smell. It's really just a nice, pleasant, citrusy smell, very similar like to lemongrass or lemon. So it definitely is more geared towards toning if it's got that citrusy vibe. So that's all the aromas. All of them are pleasant. All of them are very similar as far as profile of being like a very smooth aroma. Nothing overpowering, nothing pungent. Very good. I like the packaging. I like the fact that each of them are tailored towards a specific purpose in mind. So what I'll do real quick is I'll just grab one of these bars, run into the bathroom and lather them up to see how it performs from that standpoint. But that's it as far as reviewing the actual packaging. All right, sorry for the background noise. The wash is going on in the background, but what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna walk through using the Shea and Rose version of this, because I'm most excited about this fragrance because it's a nice like faint smell that seems very pleasant, but it just smells amazing. I'm super excited about this. What I'm going to do is just lather this up and see how it performs. And so I just wet it real quick. We'll just rub it in between the hands and see how it lathers up. And so looking at this, it's already kind of like partially lathered, where you can spread it across your hands very easily, and it's kind of like a soft, soapy kind of feel. But as far as rubbing it across your hands, if you want to use it for hand soap, it's spread very easily just by wetting it and spreading it across your hands. And the aroma It's a little bit fainter than, it's not as strong as when it's on the bar, but it's a little bit fainter when you actually use it. But this is something that spreads very easily, gets across a wide variety, like wide space very easily. So it's something that you can use either as a hand soap or bar soap in the shower without any problems. But the aroma is a little bit fainter than I anticipated. When you actually smell the bar, it's a little bit stronger versus when you actually put it on your skin, it's fainter, which is probably better because it's not too strong as far as a fragrance, so it's something that's faint that you can use without being overpowering, or if you want to combine this with other products, it'll blend well with that. But nothing too exciting beyond that. I just want to test it out. So this was the Skin Said Yes organic bar soaps. It's something you can get on Amazon for a pack of 8 bars for only $20, which is really affordable. The fact that they have 4 separate scents and 2 bars per scent gives you a good variety. So you can really try this out, see which option is best for you, and really test it out as far as different fragrances, and kind of the variety pack is really nice. The packaging's elegant, the fact that it's vegan friendly, cruelty-free, organic, all recyclable materials. It's really good for the environment, being animal friendly and everything like that. So that's all I have for this video. If you have questions, comments, post them below. But that's the Skin Said Yes soap. Real quick, I'm just going to rinse this off just to see, because I actually didn't do that. It rinsed off very easily. My hand's actually softer for sure using that. So this was like the rose one, which is moisturizing and rejuvenating, and just like my hands do feel softer, like they're actually moisturized from using this soap. So the oils built into it do provide benefit from that standpoint. So it's a really, really nice product for the affordability aspect of it. So check it out. Definitely check out the links below and try this out and see if you like it.